Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and this is probably take number 4 to get a simple video done. I keep getting interruptions, phone calls, everything, but anyway, don't know what day this is, so hopefully everybody it's probably around the 1st of the year, or New Year's. It's probably when this video will be up, so Happy New Year, or whatever. I don't know what day it'll be up, but anyway, this is my 47th page of my 48 page art journal. So this is one away from being finished. I'm excited because I'm almost done, finished completing the book. I use this sticker set I got from the Dollar Tree. In case you have never seen these before, but it says best day ever. So I got that from here. And then I use this set right here called Brie. It's 6 stamps and 7 dies. And yeah. So it kind of reminds you of a spa, mani-pedi, like a robe relaxation day because it says relax. But I also look at it as, you know, it could be a coat, a jacket, but you can use it either way. So that's the images in the die set. And I usually don't use the one with the cut. I use first to cut them out, but this is the only one I have that actually has the full silhouette die. Well, no, I have one other, I think. So I end up using this as a paint marker to go around the edges of the page, and then I used a coloring book page. And the coloring book page, my nibs are going out on some of my spectrum because they're several years old and I need to change them. So I bled a little bit on my page, but it still works. So I took an 8.5 by 11 sheet and I made them into a 9 by 12 by extending the lines. And so this is my page right here. So I just made 2 of the girls, cut them out, and I just colored the background. This is like soft gray just to get some shadowing, even though it may look white on the screen. It says best day ever. I just drew some lines over here just to make some paneling, and some lines up here and down on the bottom just to make the floor just so it looked like it continued since the page was too small. So you have to consider that with your art journal too if you're going to use coloring book pages, or you could actually just take the coloring page and blow it up. I was too lazy to do that, but anyway, not too lazy, I just didn't do it. But anyway, so this is what I made today. It says relax at the bottom. So just to, you know, friends, sisters, whatever, just chilling, having a great day, spa day, relaxation time. You get to relax. It's always an awesome day. So de-stressed and chilling. So that's what I wanted for them. They're the only ones I've done in this journal that actually have been used with the silhouette, have a slight edge around it. But I do like it, for the most part, it cuts out most of the white. So that part is really nice. So stay tuned for my last and final page reveal, and then I do a flip through of all 48 pages. And I was thinking I was going to stop using my Julie Nutting and not make another Julie Nutting album, but I'm going to continue. I know I am. In my next art journal book, since I still have so many more that I have not used. I used quite a few of them. I used, you know, it's got 48 pages. I had a couple repeats, but I used at least 48 different stamps. But you don't have to use but one and just take them through a journey. So anyway, that is what I did. I'm just rambling, but anyway, so stay tuned for my last and final reveal, and hopefully this inspires you to do some playouts. Do something funny, creative with your dolls, and stay tuned for the flip through. Take care, God bless, bye bye. And I dare you to be creative.